before clinical social worker Stacey Wetters came along.
You don't have to look at the camera. You can look at me.
Dearborn police officers like Corporal Bill Anhunt.
So as a veteran officer, many of the people we deal with, we're dealing with over and over and over again.
And Corporal Landon Ivasil.
So we don't know, like, is there somewhere we can take them, or what can we do for them?
Say responding to mental health crisis calls has always been a part of their job.
Strategy in the past has been to just continue to deal with them over and over again in the same way.
But since Wetters arrived, thanks to a local partnership with the Arab Community Center for Economic and Social Services, better known as Access, it still is. But the biggest difference for them? They say they now can do it confidently.
Now we have a more pointed application with our partnership with Access to deal with those folks so that we can create a better long-term solution for them and us to keep our residents safer and to keep those people in crisis to get the help that they need.
On average, Wetters says she receives about
two live calls a day, and we're doing maybe 2 to 4 follow-up calls per day.
Enough to keep the team on their toes.
And I know they're standing right there, but how's it been working with the officers? Don't hold back.
It's been great. It's been great. All the officers here have been really, really great. If they need our assistance in transporting somebody to get the treatment, or if they need, if a person needs just resources, a lot of times they'll call us and just ask for input as to what do we think a person may need in a particular situation.
But the goal, as Wetters explains, to keep callers out of handcuffs and instead get callers the help they need.
And they're having someone who's having a mental health crisis. They have already asked for the officer that rides with the social worker. So people are getting aware of it.
Now, if you or a loved one are going through a mental health crisis situation, you are encouraged to contact the Dearborn Police Department by contacting their dispatch center. Reporting here in Dearborn, I'm Ibrahim Samra, and this is CBS News Detroit.